So I invite you now to get a comfortable seat and so you can meditate for like 10 minutes. And it's a journey, so there's no right and wrong here, just sitting comfortably. And also nothing to achieve here, just to trust the process and trust me guiding you. And I'm just opening here the sound. Yes. So we're tuning in into our body first again. Feeling the feet on the ground. Feel everything in our body just relax. And you just follow your breath into your heart, in your chest, and open up there any tension that is might constricted there, any blockage, and just open the doors of your heart and get present here. Move now into your belly and connect there with the center of your belly, just below the belly button. Now start to feel that light inside of you, that strength, that confidence that you always had. You can remember a moment when you were just in flow, when life was easy, when work was disappearing and it just felt like a constant flow of creation. Where every single cell of your body just enjoyed being, having fun, playing. And it does not need to be a memory directly from the workplace. It can come from your private life, from holidays, from sports, wherever. Let those memories come in when you felt empowered, fully you, fully on. And notice that sensation in your body. How does it make you feel to be so connected to that zone of flow, of creativity, of joy, of freedom, of fun and play, and nothing else matters than the present moment. Now feel that light expanding. Can you imagine that powerful flow is just coming as light through your head, inside of you, as creative energy flows and circulates in your body and is moving out through your feet and your hands into the world, giving your essence, giving your creative creations, giving your work, your life's work into the world, doing something good with this, helping others, enjoying. And then you notice how it comes back to you. Happens, the light flows into the world, lightens up people, lightens up systems, lightens up things. And then it multiples there because there's the light flowing and it flows back to you as inspiration, as source of vitality. And you feel it increasing in your whole body. Feel it in your heart, in your belly, in your sitting bones, in your legs, in your arms. And moving it again out of your hands and your feet into the world. Letting it flow, trusting the process wherever it may go. Seeing how the light impacts one person and how their light impacts another person. Seeing that ripple effects of light bulbs, lightning and lightning, just as an ignition by your light being given and shining into the world. Moving back to you in its infinite ways, and you're ready to receive, full of gratitude, receiving the light, receiving the guidance, receiving money, recognition, anything flowing to you, impact, connectedness, love, and filling you even more up to give even more. And in that circulation of energy, fully embodied in your genius, you now move to the future. Let your intuition guide you wherever that may be. 1 year, 2 years, 5 years. Just find yourself a space where you are. Living in your genius, giving light, receiving light, energies flowing. Be constantly in that flow, in that expansion of your being. Arrive there. How do you feel? Who is surrounding you? Whom are you giving that energy to? And in what way are you creating? Are you a connector that connects people? Are you an empowerer? Are you building a product? Or are you improving a product? How are you inspiring others by giving your message as a leader to that organization or community you are leading? How are you the visionary entrepreneur who facilitates the changes and gets the right teams to move his visions into reality? Feel what you are here to create. Feel the flow and connect to it. And anchor it now deep in your deep into your belly and in your spine. And slowly move back into the here and now, into your body. In 2021, wherever you are on this planet, feeling your essence, feeling your genius. And whenever you are ready, you can slowly come back here to the now. Take a breath and give your body time to arrive. Maybe you want to stretch or want to take a deep breath, and whenever you feel ready, you can open your eyes and come here back together after that journey. Yeah, see you again. Wonderful. Welcome back. Beautiful to have you here.